Dry skin. Dry skin is a condition which has impact on the overall health of your skin. The skin becomes saggy, wrinkled, cracked, dull if the skin is dry. Today I would be telling you some of the medicines to get rid of dry skin.
Till I am here or when I am gone, I will always be here with you anytime, anywhere. Whatever knowledge and wisdom I have gained in homeopathy, it's my dream that it may reach the last person standing in the last line of the society as an easy and simple solution for better health. And I am doing everything possible to make this dream a reality. I ask you for your active participation in this endeavor, which is not for me, not only for you, but for the entire mankind.
Hello friends, Namaste. Friends, today we would be discussing about dry skin and I would be telling you some of the medicines to get rid of dry skin in homeopathy. First of all, let's understand what dry skin is. Dry skin is a condition when the skin is dehydrated or there is some autoimmune disease which results in the dryness of the skin. Symptoms of dry skin are uh, cracks in the skin, stiffness sensation in the skin, leather-like sensation in the skin, and the dehydration when the skin does not go to its place back. These are the symptoms. The causes of dry skin could be many, including dehydration, Sjogren syndrome, or any other autoimmune disorder. But friends, where there is problem, there is a solution. Today I will be telling you some of the medicines to get rid of dehydration and dry skin. So let's start the journey. Top homeopathic medicine to get rid of dry skin is sulfur in homeopathy. Sulfur is of great help to the patient when the skin is dry and the skin is rough and dull. The sulfur patient gets itching in the skin more at night. There is dryness of the skin, there is cracks in the skin, and the patient lifestyle is very sedentary in sulfur and there is desire for sweets in sulfur. Next symptom is dryness of the skin with dehydration. If such is the case, then the drug of the choice for such condition is Bryennia alba. The Bryennia alba 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day could be given to the patient if he or she is suffering from dry skin where is thirst feeling at small intervals of time and there is dryness of all mucous membranes. Bryennia alba is a drug of choice. Another symptom is there is stiffness like sensation in the skin. There are wrinkles in the skin due to dryness. If such are the symptoms, then the drug of the choice for such condition is Sarsaparilla. Patient could be given Sarsaparilla 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient. Sometimes there are cracks in the skin, especially in the hand and the foot. If such is the condition, then the drug of the choice for such condition is Malandrium. Patient could be given Malandrium 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient. Friends, these were some of the medicines which were for dry skin. Medicines are effective, but I would request you to please consult a physician before taking any of the medicines. Friends, I will wait for your comments on this video. Do write to us in the comment portion how you like this video, and if you have any query, please do WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number stated below in the notification panel. I would request you to please share the video to the people among the society so that this knowledge may be helpful to everyone. Thank you for joining us. Namaste.